Let me show you all of the buttons shortcuts for Redmi Note 14 Pro. So first of all, we need to open a settings on our device, scroll down to the home screen options and scroll down again to system navigations. If you have a button selected, then there will be a button shortcuts, and the first one is long press the menu button. It's this square button right here, and you can use a different action for it, like take a screenshot. So if we hold it, we'll be able to capture a screenshot. Then long press the back button. Back button is the arrow right here, and you can also assign different action for long press on it. Then there's the power and home button. Home button is the middle circle button, and the power button is located right here. It's the button that you use to lock your device. It's also it works with home, menu, and back button, all of them three right here, and you can assign actions, so you just need to click on both of them at the same time. And also menu button can show you menu or launch recent app if you hold it. And that is basically everything.